channel. I recently posted a video on how to dye your canvas and papers. It's a coffee and tea dyeing experiment. Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that even easier with just getting a regular spray bottle. In my case, this is not a regular spray bottle. Sorry, this is an oversized spray bottle. Getting an oversized spray bottle. In this case, I'm going to demonstrate on a 3x5 index card. And now, what's the purpose of this? If you're trying to distress your paper and you don't want the index card to be bright white and you want it to look distressed, you can do that. But there's another reason why this is such a great technique, I think, especially for artists. Look at that. This is pretty cool. I'm going to show you why artists should do this. I'm taking you here to my other station so you can see the coffee in a different state. Now, when I leave the coffee sitting in the spray bottle for a long time, the first couple of sprays are very dark, and I take advantage of that and try to get as many cards to be distressed with that very dark coffee. It then starts to get a little lighter. And all of these are distressed on the other side as well. So once this dries, you can Mod Podge it and it'll be a nice sturdy card that you can flip over on both sides. But why does an artist need to do this? Well, sometimes artists get a little shy with a white canvas. You know, you might have a white sketch pad or a white canvas and you're just drawing a blank. Well, I feel like with this, there's so much inspiration with imagery and colors. I mean, right here, I kind of already see a map, and it's inspiring me to maybe throw in a little bit of turquoise and maybe a little bit of orange and play around with those colors. And this is a great time to also create some acrylic sprays, which I hope to do a video on that. Just create a couple of acrylic sprays and spray your whatever surface you're working on. So I think that apart from distressing your paper, it also provides a cool imagery to start with. And then maybe you cancel all of it out and it becomes something else, but you're not starting from a blank sheet. So that is my demonstration for you guys today. All you need, spray bottle and, spray bottle, and mine is huge, and an index card, or, well, I'm lying, not an index card. Any kind of paper, any kind of fabric that you want to transform, whether for inspiration or to use in your projects, to have them look distressed or artistic. That's how I would do it. And so that is that. I just want to take this moment to also say thank you to all the people who have recently been subscribing to my channel. I'm really excited that my channel is growing. I am going to be posting a giveaway soon, and I also wanted to say, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to reach the 1,000 subscriber mark, and it's gonna take a while, but I am gonna continue to post my honest content, and I hope that you guys continue to support me. Thank you so much. Please comment, let me know what you think, what kind of videos you'd like to see next. I have a lot of stuff coming up, and so I'm going to be putting out a lot of content in the next couple of weeks, and I'm really happy to have you guys on board. So peace and blessings, and I'll see you in the next one.